I'm Roger Mugford. I've been in the world of vets and behaviour and making life better for people and their pets. My original training is as a scientist, and I still try to keep scientific principles in mind. In other words, my work is evidence-based. If something doesn't work, we don't do it. And the first thing that I noticed about using choke chains is that those dogs are choking. They are literally asphyxiated by pressure on their windpipe. And the vets will tell you that that causes bruising and damage to the trachea and to the soft tissues of the throat. So we got rid of choke chains. How do we do that? Because I'm a farmer and we treat dogs like cattle, like horses, and we lead them by the head. So this is the first invented, my invention, dog head collar, and it's called the Hulti, and of course it's the world leader. Sometimes, and the thing that keeps me busier more than anything else, is referred cases from veterinary surgeons with aggressive dogs. 80-90% of all our caseload concerns dogs that are aggressive to people, to dogs, and the starting point for safety is to make sure that the dog is wearing a muzzle, which it can eat from, be given treats, it can pant, it can drink, and it can be comfortable. This muzzle is called a Baskerville Ultra muzzle. We can modify to suit the shape of the dog. Put it in hot water, put it in cold water, and then they've got a muzzle they can really fit to the dog and it can be comfortable. The dog behaves exactly the same wearing a muzzle as if it wasn't wearing a muzzle, but now it can't hurt another dog and it can't hurt a human being. And we can start using reward-based behavior modification principles whilst the dog is safe. A lot of the accessories that are here in my company of animals are made in China, and some of the worst suffering of animals occurs in Asia, not just China. And one country in particular I've singled out is South Korea. Very sophisticated, very rich country, and they treat dogs very badly, and they eat them, of course. In principle, I'm a farmer, I keep cows and they get eaten. So what's wrong with that, you might ask, but it's the way they keep them and the way they kill them is just disgraceful. So I brought over a bunch of dogs to England, and hopefully, well, 2 of them anyway, are being trained to be medical detection dogs. That means they'll save lives by detecting cancer, a bunch of other medical conditions in people. We want to then show and tell people back in Korea, the dog that you would have eaten, a dog called Faith, which is on the medical detection stand right here today, you would have eaten Faith. Now look what she's doing, she's the best dog on the planet. So understand that the dogs you keep as pets in South Korea are just the same as the dogs that you would kill and eat. So that's the story there. We're talking of millions of dogs in Asia that lead a bad life that we're trying to change.
If you'd like more information on these products, then please visit our website on www.animeddirect.co.uk or alternatively call our helpline